In this video, we will learn how block and bleed valve should work with the high and low pressure mode selection on a nitrogen generator. For this setup, we have a nitrogen generator on the left side with the product O2 for purity control. On top, we have an off-spec valve which will be open when purity does not meet the minimum requirement. Then we have a high pressure line which is controlled by this valve to allow nitrogen to go to the nitrogen receiver. When pressure is above 120 psi, the nitrogen generator will go to standby, and when it is below 80 psi, the nitrogen generator will be back to operation. Low set point to start 80 psi and high set point to stop 120 psi. At the bottom, we have a low pressure line which is controlled by this valve and the 4 block and bleed valves. There are 2 block valves, block valve 1, block valve 2, and 2 bleed valves, bleed valve 1 and bleed valve 2. All 4 block and bleed valves are controlled by the B&B control valve here. When the nitrogen generator is off or when it is running on high pressure mode, all block and bleed valves are deactivated. Both bleed valves are open and both block valves are closed. So nothing is trapped between these 3 valves: low pressure valve, block valve 1 and block valve 2. There is a valve positioner installed on each block and bleed valve for the PLC to monitor all the valve positions individually. For instance, if this valve is closed while it's supposed to be open, the PLC will trigger an alarm on the HMI to address the exact valve that is out of position. Alarm is on now. Alarm message: bleed valve number 2 out of position. Bleed valve number 2 is supposed to be open. When it is open, alarm is off. Now let's run the system in high pressure mode. Off, manual, auto. Off-spec valve is open because purity does not meet the requirement. 11% is too high for product O2. When it is dropped below 10%, high pressure valve should be open. 9.9 high pressure valve is open. Nitrogen from the nitrogen generator now go to the nitrogen receiver. When pressure at nitrogen receiver goes above 120 psi, system will go to standby. $119, $121. Nitrogen generator is off now. Standby is on. And when pressure at nitrogen receiver goes below 80 psi, nitrogen generator will be back to operation. 81. Standby still is active. 79. Nitrogen generator is on. High pressure valve is open again. Now let's run it in low pressure mode. Alarm is on. All 4 block and flip valves are out of position. So block valves need to be open and flip valve need to be closed. Block valves are open and flip valves are closed. Alarm is off now. Even if nitrogen receiver pressure is too high, the block and flip valves are still activated and nitrogen generator is still running in the low pressure mode. That will be it for this video. Thank you for watching.